Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on Incognito Mode on Google Maps. First, let's go into Google Maps. Once in the app, you're going to tap on your profile pic in the top right-hand corner. Then you'll see Turn on Incognito Mode. You'll tap on that. And once you're in incognito mode, your location or your browsing history won't be saved. And to turn off incognito mode on Google Maps, you'll simply tap again on the hat icon in the top right hand corner and then tap on turn off incognito mode. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.